Hello, good morning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Safwan bin Mokhtar and I'm from SR291 Bachelor in Sport Management. So today I will present to you about my research project in subject Research Project in Sport and Recreation. So my research project title is The Contribution Factor toward Financial Management among Student Athletes in University Technology Mara Shah Alam. So next, why I choose this topic for my research project? So right now, you can see many athletes become more struggle to facing many unique challenge and problem, especially in financial. So if you know one of the good footballer in Malaysia, Khalid Jamlus, he sell all the award item that he achieved during their career. For example, their t-shirt, their medal, and the most valuable that he sell to survive their life is Golden Boot Award. And this all thing happened after 3 years he retired from his career. So that's why I choose financial. And my objective research is all about to investigate the different financial literacy and lifestyle across gender, men and women in University Technology Shah Alam, and also to investigate the relationship between financial behavior, which is financial literacy and lifestyle, toward financial management among student athletes in University Technology Shah Alam. So next, this is my research conceptual framework. So first, financial literacy. Financial literacy means the knowledge, skill, attitude, and ability to make decisions and manage money effectively. For example, how to allocate their future budget for saving, especially investment, and also for emergency purpose. So next, lifestyle. Lifestyle is the way of people life. Some researchers know lifestyle as a how they spend their money and time. And lastly, financial management. Financial management is an action of controlling income and also expenses to make positive personal finance, and also can be defined as a planning, organizing, directing, and controlling financial activities. So that's all my conceptual framework. So next we move to my methodology, which is how many my sample and how I take respondent. So I put 150 respondent for my research from student athletes University Technology Mara Shah Alam. So I take by simple sample random sampling, and I using Google form and online questionnaire. So for the research hypothesis in this project have three hypotheses. First, there is no significant difference financial literacy across gender, male and female, among student athlete University Technology Mara Shah Alam. And for the next hypothesis, there is no significant difference lifestyle across gender among student athlete in University Technology Mara Shah Alam. And the last hypothesis is there is no significant relationship toward financial behavior and financial management among student athletes in University Technology Mara Shah Alam. So next, for the demography analysis. This study involved 150 sample, which is student athletes in University Technology Mara Shah Alam. And so the result show the highest frequency was in the age group is 21 to 25 years old, which is 138 respondent, with 91.4% of the total. Next, gender. The majority of the respondents were male, with 110 participants making up to 72.8%. For the education level, most respondents were degree students, totaling 125 or 82.8%. And looking at the current semester, the largest group was from semester 3 to 4 with 81 respondents, which is 43.6%. And lastly, for the monthly income level, the highest number of students, 49.4 49 respondents, or 32.5%, reported a monthly income between 2,000 and less than 2,500. So, for the first finding, based on research hypothesis, descriptive statistic, mean and standard deviation, and also independent sample test was conducted to compare financial literacy score between male and female student athlete in University Technology Mara Shah Alam, and the result indicate that there was no statistically significant difference in financial literacy between score males, mean equal to 3.95 and standard deviation equal to 0.51, and females, mean equal to 3.85 and standard deviation equal to 0.53, and t-value was 148 equal to 1.00, and the p-value is 0.317, means two-tail. So next, for the second finding, same data analysis method used from finding 1, and the finding which state that there is no significant difference in lifestyle among gender of student athlete in University Technology Mara Shah Alam, and the result indicates that there was no significant difference in financial lifestyle score between male student athletes, and mean and value of mean 4.12 and standard deviation equal to 0.57, and female student athletes mean value equal to 4.12 and standard deviation equal to 0.57, and t-value equal to 148 equal to 0.018, and p-value equal to 0.986. And refer to the finding 1 and 2, it state the finding support research hypothesis, which is there is no significant difference between financial literacy and lifestyle across gender, female and male, among student athletes University Technology Mara Shah Alam. For the last finding, based on research hypothesis, a person correlation analysis was conducted to examine the relationship between financial behavior and financial management among student athletes in University Technology Mara Shah Alam. The result revealed a significant positive correlation between financial behavior and financial management. R value 148 equal to 0.685 and P value less than 0.01. It means significant. This indicates that higher level of positive financial behavior are associated with better financial management among student athletes. So, the conclusion is, first, hypothesis 1. The independent sample test show that there was no statistically significant difference in financial literacy between male and female student athletes. Means that gender does not influence financial literacy among them. Next, for hypothesis 2, reveal also no significant difference in financial lifestyle between genders. Means that both male and female student athlete share similar financial habits and behavior. In contrast to hypothesis 3, because hypothesis 3 was supported by the finding of person correlation test, which show a significant and positive relationship between financial behavior and financial management. And that's all from me, and thank you for watching.